There is a 4-hour window every single night when your body does its most important repair work. A window that opens at 10 o'clock in the evening and closes at 2 in the morning. And if you miss this window, if you are still awake scrolling through your phone or watching television, your body misses its best opportunity to heal, to rebuild, and to keep you young. And the science behind this is rooted in the ancient rhythms of your biology. Rhythms that have been shaped by millions of years of evolution but are now being disrupted by the modern world. Let us understand what happens during these 4 precious hours, because it is nothing short of remarkable. For this is when your body shifts into its deepest physical repair mode, when your cells get to work fixing the damage of the day, when your heart and blood vessels undergo their nightly healing, and when your immune system gets the support it needs to keep you healthy. This is not just about feeling rested in the morning. This is about whether your body can effectively repair itself at all. The key player in this nightly repair is human growth hormone, often called HGH, and this is where the science gets truly fascinating. For approximately 80% of your body's HGH is produced between 10 at night and 2 in the morning. This hormone is the master builder of your body, the chemical messenger that tells your cells to repair collagen, to regenerate tissues, to burn fat, and to strengthen your immune system. And here is the crucial point: if you are not asleep during this window, if you are still awake, your body does not release this hormone in the same way, and you miss the single most important repair period of your entire day. So why does this window exist? Why does your body insist on doing its most important work during these specific hours? And the answer lies in the circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock that has been ticking since the dawn of life. For when the sun sets, your cortisol levels begin to drop, and this drop allows melatonin to rise. And it is this hormonal shift that signals to your body that it is time to repair, time to rebuild, time to heal. This is why even if you get 8 hours of sleep starting at midnight, you have missed 2 hours of physical repair. And over weeks and months and years, this missing window takes a serious toll on your health. The consequences of missing this window are not abstract, they are real and measurable. For when you consistently stay up past 10, you disrupt the regenerative processes that keep you healthy, you raise your cortisol levels at the wrong time, and you essentially tell your body that it does not need to repair itself. This disruption affects everything from your weight to your immune function, from your skin to your mental health. Now consider what happens after 2 in the morning, because the repair work shifts from 2 until 6 in the morning. Your body focuses on psychological repair, on removing toxins from your brain, on consolidating your memories, on processing the experiences of your day. This is why you wake up feeling clear-headed after a good night's sleep and foggy after a bad one. Your brain has been cleaned during those early morning hours, but only if you gave your body the foundation of physical repair during the 10 to 2 window. This is why sleep experts and nutritionists consistently recommend being asleep by 10 o'clock, not just getting into bed, but actually being asleep, because you need to be in that deep sleep state when the clock strikes 10. You need to be in the restorative phase where your body can do its most important work. And this means winding down earlier, reducing your exposure to bright lights and screens, and giving your body the signal that the day is over. So the next time you are tempted to stay up late, to watch just one more episode or scroll through social media, remember the 4-hour window, remember the 80% of your growth hormone that you are missing, remember the cells that are waiting to repair themselves, and remember that every night you choose to go to bed early, you are choosing health, you are choosing resilience, and you are choosing to give your body the gift of its own natural healing power. And